Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change language on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to change language on Google Maps, first open up the Google Map app on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, on this interface, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there's a profile picture icon available for us at the top right corner. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you'll be required to tap on the settings option over here just below your data in maps. Tap on settings, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the app language option available for us at the top of the screen. Tap on app language, and over here, guys, you can see all of the languages available for us on the Google Maps section. Now in order to change the language, you can choose whichever language you like, and after you have tapped on that language which you want to change to, this kind of box will appear for any language you can see. And after tapping on the language you want to choose on Google Maps, tap on OK, and then that language will be changed on Google Maps like this, and you can choose that or try that for any language. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to choose or change language on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.